So finally I have received my universal tube clamp for installing and mounting my Insta 360 camera on my bike Bullet 350 standard. This is TELESIN's universal tube clamp. The bolts provided is high quality, and especially this mount for Insta 360 is of metal, and I am going to use the same for my Insta 360. This is for GoPro and made of plastic, good quality plastic, and this is the main body is made of alloy and it is heavy, and this is the main clamp, and its quality is very nice and its clamping grip is very accurate, and it once it holds it cannot leave easily. This is the way I installed my Insta 360 on directly on the mount and with the stick. Now we are going to install this on my bike in such a way. You can see this is the easy rotation, and now we are going to install it. Now let's start.